Hi guys, welcome to my new Excel video. In this we are going to learn about how to use the Excel left, right and mid functions. So suppose I have a data over here, okay, which is in the date, month and year format, and I want to extract the year, month and day separately over here. So to do that, we are going to make use of combination of left, right and mid functions. So if you see over here, my entire date over here is of 10 characters over here, starting from 1 to 2025. There are 10 characters over here. And in Excel, every letter, it is a character. Even if it's a space, it's Excel treat it as a character over there. So to extract year, which is from the right side, and there are four characters in my year format. So I'll make use of write function over here. Okay. First I'll have to select the text. Okay. And then I'll have to define the number of characters. Okay. That I have to fetch. Over here is of four characters. So I'll type four. And this gives me my year. Now we'll start fetch for the day format. If you see, my day is starting from the left. Okay, and there are two characters in the day format. So to fetch the date, I'll make use of left function. Well, first I have to define the text over here. So I'll have selected the text and then I'll have to define the number of characters. So there are two characters in the day format. So I'll type 2. So this gives me my day. Now coming to the month, okay, if you see, month over here is of two characters, okay, but it is starting from the middle over here. So to extract the month, I'll make use of mid function. Okay, first I'll have to select the text from which I'll have to select the from which I'll have to fetch the month over here. So I've selected the text over here. Next I'll have to define the starting number of that month or the period that I have to fetch. So over here, my month is starting from fourth character, first, second, third, and fourth. So I'll type 4 over here. Next, I'll have to define the number of characters my month is defined for. So there are two characters in the month, 0 and 2. So thus I'll type 2 over here and thus I'll get my month over here. So with this, we were able to successfully separate the year, month, and date, and we'll drag it down for the other data sets. So that's how you can make use of left, right, and mid functions to extract your data. This is all for this video. If you liked it, do like, subscribe, and share.